Welcome to Groninger Custom Homes and KG 3D Home Design. This is a little demonstration to show you how we typically start the design process. The design process normally starts with a survey. They're not always this elaborate, but in this case, this is a lakefront property that also has a substantial slope to it, so we need more information in order to accurately locate the house on the property and establish all of our elevations. We also, in this case, needed particular setbacks off of the water line, had to verify with the city the high water mark, the setback of the rear house, the 100-year flood line, and another line called FIRM, which is related to flood insurance. So anyhow, you have the property itself, and these additional lines are topographic lines, and what they do is they follow the contour of the property as it slopes down towards the lake. They each have an elevation on them that helps us establish the slope of the property. The surveyor has also located the large trees on the property so that we can make sure that we design around them. In this case, the surveyor has done a great job because the CAD drawing that they supply to me, these topographic lines are all in three-dimensional space, if that makes sense. In the virtual three-dimensional world, this one here with 48 as the elevation is 48 feet in the air. This one with 47 on it is 47 feet in the air. So it makes it pretty easy for me to connect the dots and create a site plan that has a slope to it as we design the 3D model for the home. So I import the survey into my 3D drawing, and initially it's just flat. As we add the topo lines, I colorized it, made it look like grass and made it look like water. But as I rotate it here, you can see, change the perspective, you can see the slope of the property. You can see how it slopes down to the water. And the lake is, well, how many lines do we have? The lake is a good 10 or 12 feet below the level of the street. The street is a little brick street out front here. Good part of where the house is going to go isn't super steep, but by the time we get out here back behind with the swimming pool, there's going to be a pretty substantial drop off the back of the pool deck. Anyhow, so we look at those things, start the 3D model with a big section of the property itself, and then move on to designing the house. I'll have more episodes to show the process. We'll give you a quick look here where we end up. So when the completed house sits on the property, it ends up looking something like this. And then we'll use images from the 3D model to create the construction drawings, the two-dimensional construction drawings. If you like what you see, take care.